Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make a very beautiful dark skin tone doll. So first of all, what I'll do is that I'll take my acrylic paints into a dark skin color shade and I'll start painting the doll's body. So using acrylic paints will not get this paint come off easily from the doll's body. So that's what I'm doing right now. So you also have to make sure that you use acrylic paint for the body and for the color to stay in its place. So I'll paint the face as well just to give her a dark skin tone. Okay, so after painting her body, I'll paint the facial expressions as well just to make it a little darkened and textured. So I'll paint the lips as well now. Now let's start making her dress. So for that, as you can see, I've taken this white plastic bag over here. I'll just cut the down part, and then what I'll do is that I'll cut the up part as well, and once that is done, I'll take my scissors and cut it from here. Then these lines as well. So this is one paper I got right now. Now what I'll do is that I'll take my scissors and cut this shape. So this will be the top. Over here I'll give some beautiful kind of pleats. And then once I'm sticking that, I'll take this another piece of the plastic bag. I'll stick it over here. Then I'll wrap it around and make these straps. Once that is done, I'll start painting it with some pink color. And then I'll just cut it from the back side, the axis part, and then stick it over here and then tie a knot as well on the back side. So this is a very beautiful backless top. Once I'm done doing that, I'll take the same plastic bag and wrap it around for the bottom part and make some cycle shorts. So I'll just cut it from the middle as well and wrap it around. So this is what it looks right now. Now to make the long beautiful boots, what I'll do is that I'll cut these parts again out of plastic paper bag, and then what I'll do is that once I cut these, I'll get two of them and I'll wrap it around the leg. So after doing that, I've made these beautiful shoes. I'll stick that also, and once that is done, I'll start painting the boots as well with the same pink color. It's a very beautiful vibrant pink color, so I'll paint that. Now once that is done, I'll paint this buckle and stick it over here in the middle as well. Then these will be some golden chains which I'll be sticking here on the cycle shorts, and then these golden cut paper accessories. Once that is done, let's make the hairs for her. So of course she has very thick and curly black hairs. So for that I'm using some wool. Now what I'll do is that I'll take my brush and I'll brush it off. Once that is done, it will give me a very fluffy and poofy look. Then let's start making her wig cap. So for that I'm using some silver aluminium foil and I'll wrap it around the head like this. Once it takes its shape, what I'll do is that I'll paint it with the black color. Then I'll start wrapping around the wool strand on top of her head just to cover the scalp completely. Once this is done, now what you'll do is that I'll take this beautiful black color wool, and I'll tie it around that and then make her pony. Once that is done, let's make a bag, and for this I'm using some pink foam sheet and some black foam sheet as well. I'll just stick them over here. It's glitter and it'll look completely beautiful with the look, so I'll stick those. Once that is done, guys, this is the completed look of my doll, and she's a dark skinned doll. She's already so beautiful. I tried to make this at home and this is how it turned out. So guys, I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.